is telling me we're not going to be able to use this arm. All right, now we're coming down low. Getting down there. This is a messy, horrible goop. You weren't kidding, Uncle John. This stuff is the worst. It smells like asphalt. Ugh. Don't ask me why I started up high. It just seemed appropriate for whatever reason. Now I'm going all the way up onto the site. I don't even fucking care. Oh shit. Just about spilled my whole tray of stupid rubberized goop. Alright. There we go. Start coming down now. Shoot. There we go. Thank God for windshield scrapers, huh? And their detachable arms. Let's see. Very handy in a case like this. Just spooging it all over as much as I can. Crap. This is gonna be the most watertight part of our whole house now. Probably help this guy down the river. Shoot. That's dripping on the deck now. Of course. You can see I've got all the room in the world here that I'm working with. Not. Hopefully we'll be able to get all the way in the bottom there, sealing all that up. But because the fun brush is angled, because why not? When you're working with a 3-inch hole, physics doesn't let you have much of an angle on your brush. But it's fine. It's all good. It's fine. I'll just get in there, jack it up a little bit, Spooging around some more. Now we're going to go to plan B here, which is pour it in. There we go. There we go. There we go. Just a nice little lake of rubberized sealer down there. Perfect. Right? Because why not? Why wouldn't we do that? So good. Hopefully that means I've gotten most of it. I mean, a better solution would be just nuke the bastard from orbit. Alright? It's the only way to be sure. Okay. Nearly ready to call it quits. Gotta get some more. Ugh. Gross. Gross, gross, gross. Yeah. I got myself filthy. Super fun. I don't know, but no other way. I'd like to spend my Thursday morning than this. Oh boy, I just got a whole bunch of that on me. Cool. Okay. Make sure I'm actually coating that part way down there. Because otherwise this would have been for nothing. Crap. It appears that I have. Okay. Fun time's over.